Hey, quick tip, my friends. I'm out here mowing a property we're about to list, and did an okay job. But the thing is this: had to ride up on the trailer, right? So I'm in forward, not neutral, not reverse. I'm in forward to get up there, and it's like, oh, let me leave it in forward, so it'll give me, it'll stay up. Well, why? This is gonna keep you in good shape. Leave it in neutral because it's going back there anyway. And man, I can't even see. And it won't put the stress on your transmission. Leave it there. It'll stay. As long as you don't run over giant bumps or anything, you'll be fine. So just a little tidbit, a little transmission help. Once you get it on, go ahead and put it in neutral. It'll be fine. Save your transmission. Perfetto Realty, doing what realtors do. Peace.